And we're gonna be watching You Step on a Crack and You Break Your Mother's Back. So give it a like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and look, comment below. Now let's get into this.
Step on a crack and you break your mama's back.
Oh my God! Stop playing! For the love of God, stop playing!
Step on a line and you break your father's spine.
Oh, my spine!
Easy. So.
Where'd Dad go?
They're not here. Boom. Come on, Courtney. Courtney is here. Courtney is here. Down. Okay, y'all. That was actually. She said, you step on a crack and you break your mama's back. You step on the line, you break your father's spine. Weird. Well, I know that shit. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video.